Bit of drizzle, just a bit. Been raining about 14 seconds, the roads are flooded. I ain't got an umbrella. I might buy that, put that on my head. The ladyboys keep calling me in. There's one over there. Lex. She'll lend me her umbrella. It's pouring down, hammering it down. I wish I'd have took the ladyboy up on an offer and gone short time, but at least I've been dry. I'm joking, man. Yeah, there's the Baht bus. They get wetter than me. Well, looks like I'm going in the catisserie house for a pork pie. Well, she's going home. Sold nothing. Well, standard 14 hours a day. And no tea break. That's a bloke, it's a bloke, yeah, that's a bloke that is. Yeah. Oh dear. What's Pattaya like in the low season? It's bloody raining, mate.